Hi guys, this is Charlie and I want to welcome you to Builderall and your 7-day free trial. What I'm going to do in this video, I just want to run through really quickly who I am and how you can start making money today within a few hours. So obviously there is a lot of training to go through. You might want to take it step by step, but other affiliate marketers you might be quite educated about promoting online. So I just want to really quickly run through how you can start making money as soon as possible, basically. So yeah, really quickly, this is me and I am married to Dave. This is in Mugello in Italy. Actually, it's one of our holidays this year. I joined 2008. So yeah, we've been married for 4 years, together for 12. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know that I'm a real person. This is a legitimate company and I am an affiliate marketer. Okay, so if I just go to my photos, I do actually have a business Facebook as well. So you might have joined through there, guys. But this is my personal one. I just want to sort of let you into my life just a little bit. To understand who I am, and yeah, so yeah, me and Dave run a property maintenance company. There's just me and Dave that do it. He does the handiwork, I do all the admin. I do go and help out and paint and do gardening as well. So yeah, we're just a little small team, but we haven't got any plan B. So if anything happens to either of us, we are pretty knackered. And so this is why I started looking for other ways to work online. So yeah, that's some holiday pictures. But yeah, as you can see, you know, we've got a motorhome as well. We actually drove to Italy this year to watch the MotoGP. We love motorsport. We love our outdoors. You know, we love traveling. So yeah, so love the cars and yeah, we love having a drink and pub beer gardens and whatnot. This is my nan and granddad. They're both 90 this year, and so yeah, incredibly proud of them. Okay, all right then, guys. I'm not going to bore you too much with that. So, like I say, just sort of let you into my life just a little bit there, and just so you can see who I am. Right then, so let's get down to business. So, when you have activated your free trial, you should have received an email with a link to your back office, and you can click the link, and here you are. So you can obviously go and change your password at the top here. I've just created a test account just so I can show you that's, you know, from brand new. Okay, so down here is your main menu, and these are the tools, but we'll go into that a little bit later on. But now I just want to go through. If you go to Builderall Business here, there we go. So this is your Builderall Business here. So this is sort of your business back office. Those are all the tools that we sell and we can use ourselves, but here is your business. So if you go down to money making funnels, they have set things up already for you. So if you just scroll down, what I want you to do is, here are your links. They are unique to you and you can go and share them. So if you just click there, you can copy them. Okay, if you click here, it will open them up. So what I suggest you do is just go through them and just obviously understand what you are promoting, and just watch the videos, etc. So there are quite a few here. So we've got, that's the home page for the tools, and then we've got affiliate links here as well. So like I say, we've got quite a few of them. This is a mailing boss funnel. You have automatically got a free email platform, an email autoresponder, but we do promote it as a standalone feature for $50, which is unlimited email marketing forever. for just a one-time fee of just $50, and you will get 100% commission on that as well. Okay, guys, so that's a huge thing that you can start promoting straight away. I know a lot of businesses pay a lot of money for their email marketing. They get penalized for being successful. The more emails they send in, the higher the price. So yeah, so there you go, guys. You can go straight away and promote that as well, start earning 100% commission on that. Now that link has been copied, so if you go back up to the top, you can use a shorter URL. Obviously you don't want to be pasting that everywhere, and that'll just create a shorter URL for you. So obviously if you want to use Facebook advertising, you can actually promote it for free on your social networks. But what I suggest you do is don't use Builderall, the company name, because people will just search for it on Google. You want them linked to you. So you can put on your Facebook that you've just started a new business, you're really excited, blah, 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 to create a bit of intrigue there. But yeah, and then obviously private message them with your personal affiliate link. Okay, and they will then get a cookie placed on their computer, and if they come back to it, they will still be linked to you. Okay then, guys, so if you, let me think, if you want to post in groups, or like say start to contact your warm market, so anybody who you know that does that's computer savvy, that knows affiliate marketing, then yeah, for sure go and contact them, and our videos will tell you all about it. You can start doing a few tutorials and training here. They will teach you how to use all these tools. So you've got the builders, you've got the drag and drop pixel perfect. Let's have a look at the sales funnels. All these templates are already done for you, guys. You've just got to customize them. Okay. So I'll let you, we've done another training on that, so I'm not going to go into that now. Today's video is just all about how to make money, and I just wanted to show you where your affiliate links were. Okay, also in your welcome email, I have done you we've done you a 7-day sort of bootcamp training. So if you click the link on that email, we will go through. This is Barbie. This is our team leader. She's a company mentor because she does loads of training for the company as well. She has done everything for us, so it's absolutely amazing. So we just go in and customize the funnel. It's already done. All the videos are done for you, so it's really, really easy. Actually, it takes a few hours to do, I won't kid you, but just give up the TV this weekend and just get everything set up, and then you're on your way. So like I said, we've done you a 7-day or a 7-step process. You don't have to do it on a daily basis. You can do it, you can just do it all at once. So it's just a bit of an introduction of the tools, the company, and what we do. So yeah, okay then, guys, so I hope that's okay for you. I think I've run through everything on this video. I will see you in another video though, and yeah, good luck and enjoy your free trial with Builderall. If you have any questions, just contact me. You can message me on Facebook, or you can contact me via the email form here. So okay then, guys, I hope that's okay for you, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, cheers.